My dear students, we are beginning a new program for Sociology optional test series in which a two question would be provided on daily basis, and within the 24 hours I will evaluate myself, and then your copy would be with proper feedback would be given to you. And this is a program I introduce on a monthly basis. You can join it, and I would say that this is a very right time for writing the mains optional itself, particularly those candidate who is too much serious about 2023 exam. Then I would say welcome here, and whatever detail you need, directly contact me. And that's a message I would like to convey you guys. So that is a very important program, and here you can get one-on-one direct interaction itself. So it would be beneficial for you and much more fruitful to you. So that's all.